So tomorrow is a massive day for any action camera fans out there. DJI are going to officially announce the DJI Osmo Action 4. We now have all the leaked photos showing every angle of this new action camera. We can see from these leaked images that the Action 4 retains the same form factor as the Action 3, but with a larger sensor. What I'd like to know from you guys is what features you would like to see in the Action 4 and what's going to make you part with your cash. And let us know how you think it's going to compare with the GoPro Hero 12, which will probably be announced in September. Let us know in the comments below. One final leaked photo shows a remote control for your Action 4 that goes on your wrist, which is a really cool idea from DJI. They've followed in the footsteps of the Insta360 that also do this, but if you look closely at one of the buttons on the remote, it also powers on and off the camera, which is something that is missing from the Insta360. So like I say, let us know in the comments what's going to make you part with your hard-earned cash, what's going to make you buy this action camera, and how do you think it's going to fare against the GoPro 12. Let us know in the comments, but that's it for now. We'll catch up in the next video. See you soon, guys.